In this video, we are going to learn about the important properties of subatomic particles. As you all know, atom is the smallest particle and electron, proton and neutrons are the subatomic particles present in an atom. In this video, we are going to discuss about the properties of electron, proton and neutron. Let us start. The symbol of electron is E, proton is P and neutron is N. Next comes the absolute charge. Absolute charge is measured in terms of coulombs. The absolute charge of electron is 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Remember, the absolute charge of electron and the proton are same in value, but they are different in terms of charges. The charge of proton is positive and the charge of electron is negative. And if you see the absolute charge of a neutron, it is 0 or else it is neutral. Neutron does not have any charge. Then comes the relative charge. The relative charge of electron is -1, proton is +1, neutron is 0. Then we are going to see the mass. Mass is measured in terms of kilograms or else in atomic mass units. The mass of electron is 9.109 into 10 to the power of minus 31. And the mass of proton and neutrons are approximately same. The mass of proton is 1.672 into 10 to the power of minus 27. If you see the mass of neutron, it is 1.674. There is a small difference between the mass of proton and mass of neutron. It is again 10 to the power of minus 27. Mass of electron, proton, neutron in terms of AMU. AMU is nothing but atomic mass unit. Remember that atomic mass unit is nothing but 1/12th time of the mass of carbon atom. It is approximately 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kilograms. The mass of electron is 0.0005 and the mass of proton is 1.007. Mass of a neutron is 1.008. This mass is in terms of atomic mass unit. And remember, approximately the mass of proton is equal to the mass of neutron. And approximate mass, as you see here, the mass of electron is negligible when compared to the mass of the proton and neutron. So the mass of electron is 0, mass of proton is 1 and mass of neutron is 1 approximately in terms of atomic mass unit. The things you should remember in this case is the absolute charge of electron and protons are same but with opposite sign. You see here the relative charge of electron is -1, proton is +1. And the mass of a proton and neutron are approximately same. That is, approximate mass in terms of atomic mass unit is 1 and 1. Remember, in terms of charges, proton and electrons are with equal value and opposite sign, and in terms of mass, proton and neutron are approximately same. When it comes to the units, remember the unit of charge is coulomb and the unit of mass is measured in terms of kilograms or atomic mass unit. Thank you.